Now, we have inline styles, which I have shown you before. Inline styles actually take preference over any other selector. So no matter the specificity of the selector, an inline style attribute takes precedence over that. So for example, in our example that we had two list items that were affected by the CSS declaration to make it blue. Assuming I am to include an inline style here, that will override any other CSS selector in the CSS file. So no matter the amount of specificity it has, the inline style takes precedence over that. So let's give an example. Let's go to one of our list items, and in the link, I include a style attribute with background color green. So this is in the link. Because this is an inline style, CSS will choose this over any other selector, no matter the specificity. So that is just for you to know the effect of inline styles, just in case, let's say you have an inline style and you assume that some other selector with high specificity will actually affect the elements, whereas the inline style is the highest. And once that is used, no other selector takes precedence. And as you can see, we have our second list item as green.